bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to be making a really super cute embellishment. I'm going to show you guys how to make these adorable little Polaroid embellishments. I love these. These are so cute. So I have the stickers that I bought last year from Target. And they are the cute, adorable little llamas right here. Let me show you. See these? These are the ones from Target last year. And what I did is I used some of these little adorable animals to embellish the paper from Maggie Holmes. And this is the paper that has all these like little Polaroids on it. You guys, I've used this paper before in the past in my other series, and I really love using this paper because you can do so many things with it. It just has little squares and the little Polaroids, and what I do is I basically just cut these out and I use them to embellish them. This is from the collection called Gather, and I believe the name of this paper is called Moments. So I bought this paper a while ago at Tuesday Morning. It was one of those papers that is the same one, and it comes in like, I don't know, pack of 25. So yeah, that's what we're going to use. Okay, so I already have these done, and I'm going to show you really easy and quickly how to create this embellishment. So I have my Polaroid already cut out. I just basically use the colors that are kind of like Valentine's inspired, which are like the little pink ones. I have other ones here, but I'm not going to use these right now. Maybe I'll use them in another video, another tutorial. Okay, so let me bring you closer to me. Close to me. Close to me. Okay, let's get this party started right. Okay, so here's the Polaroids that I already cut out. We're going to use this one to create these adorable embellishments. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have my little sticker right here. I already picked out which one I'm going to use, which is this pink one. And the only thing that I did to my sticker is I added two little tiny gems. I don't know if you can see that, but the eyes on the little animal has two little tiny gems. And these little gems are from AC Moore. I had these forever, like literally about 4 or 5 years. And I hardly ever used them. But I figured, besides googly eyes, what else can I use on these adorable embellishments? And I thought these will look awesome. So as you can see here, these also have them as well. Okay, so that's the only thing that I did to my sticker. So now we're going to adhere our sticker to the Polaroid in front. Before I do that, I want to add some dimensions on my sticker because I want my little animal to kind of have a nice lift. So here I have my dimensions. I'm going to add it to the body of the little animal. And I'm also going to add it to the neck. Wait, this is too long. I gotta cut this out a little bit. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to add it to the neck. And I'm going to basically add my little animal to my Polaroid. Just like that. See that? Very cute, right? Beautiful. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I'm going to use the Dollar Tree hearts that you guys know I am obsessed over, and I'm going to actually add one of the hearts right over the little animal on this little corner right here. With the Dollar Tree heart, I put a dimension on the back so it can also give me a little bit of a lift. And I'm basically just going to squeeze this heart right in here. Just like that. And that's going to really give it a really nice sparkly look to the embellishment. Okay? Beautiful. The second thing we're going to do, or the third thing we're going to do, is I have these stickers that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I love these stickers. I did a whole video on these stickers. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. I love them because they have all these really awesome little like Valentine saying. Like this one says hot stuff. This one says crush. This one says be mine. And for this one, we're going to use the one that says kiss me right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little dab of hot glue on the back of this sticker so it can adhere to the glittery sticker that we have here already. It's going to go right in the center, and that's going to really kind of finish that beautiful heart that we added, as you can see there. Beautiful, right? All right, very good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some kind of like wording, right, for Valentine's Day. So what I did is I am using the Dollar Tree stickers, and these have like the word love on it. I really love these little stickers, and the font is just so beautiful, and it's really, really glittery and sparkly and just really, really fun. So I'm going to use the word love, and I'm going to add it right over here in the bottom of the Polaroid, like I did with these over here. Just like that. Beautiful. And now we are going to add some more embellishments to the little animal. What I did here is I used my gold and silver thread, and I created a nice little bow. And that's just going to give it a really playful, fun look to the embellishment. I'm going to add the bow right in the corner of this side right here. Okay, just add a little dab of hot glue and just add it to that corner. If you want to trim off the extra strings that's hanging, you could. Might trim it a little bit more. Now I'm going to add a little dab of hot glue to the back of my little bow. And I'm going to add this bow right over this corner right here, because this corner is a little bit plain. And that's just going to give it a really fun look to the embellishment. That looks beautiful. See that? How cute that looks. And now, the last thing we're going to do to the embellishment is I have these really gorgeous like embroidery roses that I love to buy at the thrift shop. I get these like in stacks of like plastic bags, and they have like a whole bunch of these gorgeous ribbons. They're very vintage looking. I love buying them at the thrift shop, but you can also get these at Michael's. Michael's do sell ribbons or flowers or embroidery like roses like this by the wedding section. So keep an eye if you're looking for some embellishments like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 of these, and I'm going to add it to our embellishment. Okay, so the first one I'm going to add is going to be right by the neck of the little animal. It's just going to really sit right by his neck, and I'm just going to add a dab of hot glue. And it's going to really give it a nice, super cute look. And then the second rose, I'm going to add to the corner of the embellishment, and I'm going to add it actually in this corner right here. And it's just going to really come, it looks like it's going to come out like from the bottom of the little animal towards the corner. That's basically all I'm doing. And guess what? We're done. Yep, that's right. We're done. This cannot be any more easier to do. I love making these tutorials. Super easy, super quick. I'm trying to do my best to not take too long and not talk too much and just get to the point, because I don't want you guys to get tired, and I want you guys to just really, you know, learn and just get ideas. So basically, that's it. That is all we have to do to create these really fun, adorable embellishments. Now, I think these turned out so cute. You could actually add these in a nice little thank you card, or maybe like a happy mail. You can actually even add this to a mini note card, like right in the front. That could actually be a nice little front cover for your mini note card. You can really literally add these embellishments anywhere that you want. You can add them. I just love how they turned out. I really think they turned out super adorable, and you really don't need a lot of stuff. You could just use a few stickers that you probably already have, and you're ready to go. And that's basically it, loves. That is how I create this really super adorable embellishment. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these embellishments. I hope that you're getting some great ideas. Thank you all so much for your lovely comments on my previous videos. I really appreciate that you guys are always returning back, and you are always leaving me awesome, beautiful comments. Thank you very, very much for that. I will see you guys on my next video, and please be safe and stay tuned. By the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and like. Okay, honey bunnies, have a fantastic weekend. Bye.